moving on the right
side. Where is it? Go, go, go! Clear! Breach! Breach! Hey guys, this is my VSR-10 sniper rifle, bolt action. So, gotta forget who it's made by. Can't really picture it out, sorry guys. Well, what it comes with, you have to put it together. I think barrel is off. This is off the. This is all once. You gotta screw it. 2 basic screws, 3 basic screws. Not hard. 4 if you count that one. Yeah, very good. Bolt action, as you can see. Metal. Trigger guard is metal. Trigger's metal. Butt stock is plastic, but it's pretty nice plastic. Metal. Sorry, no. Orange tip. Mine fell off. You know, just got probably super glue back on or something. Sorry, guys. This is fire. This is safety. Safe. Fire. Safe. Fire. This right here, yes, this usually comes undone a little bit, so I usually screw it in with my finger, not hard. Butt stock. Yeah, it's rubber. It feels pretty nice. I like it. Feel that. Thumbs undone. Yeah. Stuff in there. Sorry guys. Very good. It also comes with a speed loader. I think it holds 30. 30, yes. Regular speed loader, push down to get it going here. So, yeah, I got this around, I think, 80, yes. I recommend 20 gram BBs. Yes, maybe 25. I never used them before, but you can do what you want. Tactical rail, very tactical. Put a scope on there, red dot, whatever you like. It'll be A-okay with me. Got a adjustable hop. Got hop on normal. Normal. Very good. Yeah, it's a really good starter gun. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Very good starter gun, yeah.